today we're making a s'mores iced coffee. So I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of this marshmallow fluff. And the goal is to get this to melt a little bit, but not to the point where it starts to get hard. Okay, I melted it for 15 seconds. So I have hot water. I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of this instant blonde coffee. And these are half teaspoon measurements, so there's 2. So it's pretty dissolved. I'm just going to pour this over my marshmallow and try to mix this the best I can. A little bit of this cookie dough syrup. Like 3 splashes. Then I'm going to finish off my oat milk. This is vanilla almond unsweet. Have my ice in here. I'm going to drizzle chocolate syrup on it. Shake this all up so it's well mixed. Pour this over. And then I'm going to make a marshmallow cold foam. So I'm just going to do 1 scoop of marshmallow. Again, I'm going to soften in the microwave. Put some milk in. And I'm actually going to put a little bit of chocolate. I'm going to froth it up. I think that's pretty good. Made a lot of cold foam. So I even have extra. With some more syrup. I have these cute marshmallows. I crush up some graham crackers. I'm gonna try it. This is delicious. It has a nice coffee taste without being too sweet, but you can definitely taste the marshmallow and the chocolate. It definitely reminds me of a s'more. It's delicious.